Hello and welcome to watching the new session of our podcast. This is Kevin Hu from Shanghai. So today let's build a gateway service with BOR tools. Gateway is a very promising innovation of SAP in recent years. So Gateway has been consolidated into the full SAP mobile platform, which becomes a very important component of the whole mobility portfolio. So today let's build a very simple gateway service to see how easy it is to expose SAP data to the outside world. So let's begin. First, let's log into the test system. This test system is a sandbox gateway system. Let's take a look at the status of the system. So it is the ECC 6.0 with several critical components of gateway installed. The gateway core and let me see, let's scroll down. IWBP, yeah. These are two mandatory components. Several optional components such as the content, etc. So in SE80, very similar. Let's create a gateway data model. Let's name it sample bank Kevin Hu 2. The type is PS and generate from data source object. Here we uncheck the OData channel. So give it a simple description and select BOR system alias as it is all in local. So we choose local. Click continue. So let's click local object. So here in the in this screen you can see we have a list of all the data sources that could be consumed. What we look is here bank. It is a sample data model. Let's see, the bank has several BAPI methods. This is the get list method. Let's map it to a query. So we will change the mapping route. So here we will change to bank country. Also we have bank country and bank key mapped as core ID, which is the primary key of the data model. So let's create another mapping to the read operation type, and this will return the details of our data model. So here uncheck what we don't want, and here let's preserve those attributes such as the bank names. Let's map it to bank names. You have to flatten those attributes. So here we have to flatten it one by one, but in gateway 20 SP, I think SP5, you do not have to flatten it. So here we have to make all the attributes in the same layer. So here, let's see, and we have the S core ID, which is mapped to the country and bank ID. Okay, so next one is to create. Let's create a mapping. Let's create operation. So here, let's uncheck those unwanted attributes. Bank country and bank key. Yes. So here we will map it to S core ID. Click OK. So last one is to change. It's update. So it's quite similar. Core ID and okay. Okay, so let's click generate. This will generate the data models, and let's see, may take some seconds. Okay, it says the data model has been saved. Okay, so let's go back to click the object navigation to go back. What we have to do is to expose the data model to a consumption service. We have to create a consumption model, CBank, whatever name it is. So basically there are some naming conventions, but to a testing purpose it's not quite important. So okay, let's create, we give it a description, click out. It's a local object also. Okay, so here we go. We add a gateway model. So F4, I can't remember it. So F4, you can see we can choose the data model that we created. So double click the consumption model, and here we can see let's create a new session. SICF, let's check the services. Here we have a let's do a quick search for bank service. Yes, this one. As you can see, it's already active. So let's click XML. Well, open up the IE to see the let's see, this is the gateway user name and password, and you can see here is the service document of the this gateway service that we've been created. Its name, this is the name, and we have the sample bank collection, and let's click the metadata. Also the metadata, you can see the detailed the structure of the collection, the properties, the property types, etc. So let's copy paste the collection name. So here we paste it here, and do a OData query. Do a filter. Bank country, sorry, equals US. Okay. Okay, so we have been queried, and it returned all the United States banks here. And also you can see from the value, which is the primary key of this results, you can see this is core ID combined ID and bank countries. So here let's move on to do a test for other operations. So here let's copy the service URL here. Okay. Yeah, this tool is called fetch, which is an open source tool. You can download it. It's a username. It's a collection name. Let's see. This is a request body. Let's do a quick test of the post. Look carefully about the value. This is the core ID values as core ID value, the primary key. The schema names here. So we would like to create a new entry. So here, Bank of Kevin. Click go. Okay, so the response is created. 201. Yes, the entry has been created. So here let me see. Yes. Let's see something more about it. So let's copy paste it into the path, and let's do a get to query the newly created entry. Click OK. Yes, finished. Yes, you can see 200. It's okay. This is the newly created entry. So So let's do a quick test of the put. So the put maps to the update operation. So here let's change one attribute slightly, Bank of Kevin's company. Click OK. This shows no content, means it's done, finished. Let's see, let's do a quick test of Let's do a quick test. Okay, you can see the bank name has been changed. So thanks for watching. Bye.